Welcome back to my channel. This is your Tito, ready to teach you. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe at huwag kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga bagong videos. For this episode, we will be discussing mail merge in Microsoft Word. So what exactly is mail merge? It is simply incorporating data from both MS Word and MS Excel. It allows us to create multiple documents at once, lalo na kung isa lang ang content. And iba-iba ang recipients mo, saving time and effort of typing the same letter na paulit-ulit. So let's check our example here. So kung makikita nyo, let me expand. Okay, so meron tayong letter. Ang gagawin natin, we want na mag-print or mag-send ng same letter to different recipients. So what we're going to do is to click the mailings. Okay, start mail merge. Let's click letters. Okay, select recipients. So we're gonna use an existing list. So I've created a list. So pakita ko muna sa inyo itsura niya. Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya. So simple lang siya, name and address. Okay, so expand ko ulit siya. So select recipients. Let's use an existing list. And then here, address book. Let's click open. So sasabihin ng Microsoft Word, click yes. Hintayin natin mag-load. Okay. Okay. So ang gagawin natin, insert tayo na merge field. Okay. So dito, name. Gusto natin maglagay ng address line here. Ilalagay natin is address. So, ganito yung mangyayari. So, click lang natin yung preview result. So, ayun na siya. And then, click natin to. Okay, as you can see, as we go around, okay, ipapalit siya. Okay. So, do finish and merge, and we can just print the documents if you'd like. Okay, so ganyan siya mapiprint. So based dun sa sinet nating mga pangalan nila. Okay, so that's it. I hope nakatulong ito lalo na sa mga madalas gumawa ng mga memos and isesend individually sa mga employees nila. If nagustuhan nyo at may natutunan kayo, don't forget to like this video at mag-comment kayo kung ano pa ang gusto nyong magdagdag ko on my future contents. Thank you so much.